What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to a subset of artificial intelligence technologies designed to create new content, such as images, text, music, videos, and even code, that mimics human creativity. Unlike traditional AI, which primarily focuses on analyzing and classifying existing data, generative AI generates entirely new data or content based on patterns it learns from a training dataset. Key characteristics of generative AI. Content creation. It can generate realistic and novel content, such as text, e.g., ChatGPT, images, e.g., DALL, or music, based on input data and learned patterns. Learning from data. Generative AI models learn from large datasets to understand the underlying patterns and structures, which allows them to produce original outputs that resemble the examples they were trained on. Creativity and personalization. These models can produce content that is tailored to specific preferences or user inputs, allowing for personalized experiences or unique creations. Key technologies. Generative adversarial networks. GANs are a class of models where two networks, a generator and a discriminator, work against each other to create realistic outputs. GANs are often used for image generation, deepfakes, and other creative tasks. Variational autoencoders, VAEs, used for generating new data by encoding input data into a latent space and decoding it into new samples that resemble the original data. Transformer models, such as GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, used primarily for text generation. These models are trained on vast amounts of text data to generate coherent and contextually appropriate text. Applications of generative AI. Text generation, creating articles, stories, or even programming code, e.g., GPT-3. Image and video generation, creating realistic images, art, or deepfakes, e.g., DALL, style GAN. Music composition, generating original music tracks based on learned styles. Product design, automating design processes by generating new product prototypes or concepts. Potential and challenges. Generative AI holds great potential in creative industries, entertainment, healthcare, e.g., drug discovery, and even in automating repetitive tasks. However, it also poses challenges related to ethics, intellectual property, and the potential for misuse, e.g., deepfakes. In short, generative AI represents the ability of machines to create new, original content, pushing the boundaries of automation and creativity. How generative AI is taking away all jobs. Generative AI is reshaping industries by automating tasks which could displace certain jobs, especially in creative, repetitive, and entry-level roles. However, it also creates opportunities for reskilling and new job types. Replacing junior-level roles, entry-level jobs, especially those focused on basic analysis or repetitive tasks, could be automated by AI systems. AI-driven efficiency. AI tools enhance productivity, leading companies to need fewer employees to perform the same tasks, resulting in job cuts. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI can handle tasks like data entry, basic content generation, and customer support, reducing demand for manual labor in these roles. Job redundancy in creative fields. AI tools can generate content, e.g., articles, art, music, faster and cheaper, potentially reducing the need for writers, designers, and artists in some areas. Disruption of traditional jobs. Roles in sectors like retail, legal, and finance may shrink as AI handles processes like document review, contract generation, and customer service.
Job opportunities in generative AI. The rise of generative AI has created a diverse range of job opportunities across multiple industries. As this technology continues to advance, there's an increasing demand for skilled professionals who can work on developing, deploying, and managing generative AI models. 1. Generative AI engineer. Role: develops and implements generative models such as GANs, VAEs, and transformers, working on creative AI applications in areas like text, image, and video generation. Skills required: expertise in deep learning, neural networks, GANs, VAEs, Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Industries: tech, entertainment, advertising, gaming, media. AI research scientist, generative models. Role: conducts research to improve the underlying techniques of generative models, developing new algorithms and contributing to advancements in AI theory. Skills required: advanced knowledge in machine learning, deep learning, and mathematical modeling, experience with generative models. Industries, research institutions, tech companies, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, AI startups. Generative AI developer, content creation. Role, builds AI tools that generate content, text, images, videos, music, for specific applications, such as marketing, entertainment, and design. Skills required, proficiency in AI frameworks, e.g., GPT, DALL-E, Style GAN, Python, and understanding of content generation algorithms. Industries, media, advertising, entertainment, marketing. AI product manager, generative AI. Role, manages the development of AI-powered products, ensuring that generative AI capabilities meet market needs and align with business goals. Skills required, strong understanding of generative AI technologies, product development lifecycle, and market strategy. Industries, tech, e-commerce, AI startups, and consulting. AI ethics specialist, generative AI. Role, ensures that generative AI systems are designed and deployed ethically, addressing issues like bias, misinformation, and transparency. Skills required, knowledge of AI technologies, ethics, data privacy, and AI policy. Industries, tech companies, consulting firms, regulatory bodies, government. Generative AI consultant. Role, provides consulting services to businesses on how to integrate generative AI into their operations, from creating AI-generated content to automating business processes. Skills required, strong AI or ML knowledge, business strategy, problem-solving, and communication skills. Industries, consulting firms, AI-focused startups, tech giants. Data scientist, generative AI. Role, specializes in using data to train generative models and derive insights that can be used to enhance AI systems, often working with large datasets for training AI to generate realistic content. Skills required, statistical analysis, Python, machine learning, experience with AI models like GANs and VAEs, and data preprocessing. Industries, tech, healthcare, marketing, gaming. AI trainer or data curator, generative AI. Role, focuses on curating and labeling datasets used to train generative AI models, ensuring high-quality, diverse, and relevant data is used to enhance model performance. Skills required, data management, attention to detail, understanding of generative AI requirements. Industries, tech companies, research institutions, AI startups. Creative director, generative AI in design. Role, leads creative projects that leverage generative AI tools to produce artwork, advertisements, and designs, enhancing human creativity with AI-generated outputs. Skills required, knowledge of AI-powered design tools, creative direction, and collaboration with AI engineers. Industries, advertising, media, gaming, fashion. Generative AI architect. Role, designs and oversees the architecture for deploying generative AI models, ensuring scalability, performance, and security of AI applications. Skills required, expertise in system architecture, cloud computing, AI model deployment, and scalability. Industries, tech companies, enterprise-level software solutions, cloud services. Natural language processing, NLP, engineer, generative AI. Role, focuses on developing AI models for natural language generation, NLG, such as chatbots, content generation, and automatic summarization. Skills required, NLP techniques, Python, transformer models, e.g., GPT, deep learning, text generation tools. Industries, tech, customer service, content creation, healthcare. AI software engineer, generative AI. Role, designs and develops software that incorporates generative AI models into real-world applications, such as creating generative tools for digital marketing, entertainment, and more. Skills required, programming, Python, Java, C++, machine learning, deep learning frameworks, cloud technologies. Industries: software development, AI-based startups, gaming, advertising. Generative AI developer, AI art design. Role: works on AI-powered creative applications, including generating art, designs, and animations using AI models such as DALL, or StyleGAN. Skills required: AI creativity tools, deep learning, computer graphics, and proficiency in frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch. Industries: art, gaming, marketing, entertainment. AI content moderator, generative AI. Role: monitors and moderates AI-generated content for compliance with ethical standards, ensuring that AI-generated text, images, or videos are appropriate and adhere to regulations. Skills required: understanding of AI content generation, ethics, moderation tools, and AI monitoring. Industries: social media platforms, content creation companies, and tech firms. AI deployment specialist. Role: specializes in deploying generative AI models into production environments, ensuring that models perform optimally at scale and are integrated seamlessly into business applications. Skills required: knowledge of cloud platforms, deployment tools, model integration, and performance optimization. Industries: cloud services, enterprise software, tech companies. Conclusion: generative AI is creating an exciting array of career opportunities across multiple domains. These jobs require a combination of technical expertise, creativity, and ethical understanding. From AI engineers to ethics specialists, consultants, and creative directors, the demand for talent is growing rapidly in industries like tech, entertainment, marketing, healthcare, and design. Professionals who stay up to date with the latest advancements in generative AI and learn to leverage its potential can find rewarding opportunities in this evolving field.